Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to transfer from Robinhood to Fidelity. So when you're transferring your assets out, you will have to begin with this. So the Robinhood or the RHF or the RHC are separate entities, and they are both registered broker dealers that support equities and options trading. So while RHC supports crypto trading, both of them are whole and settled security shares. So you can transfer all eligible securities in a full ACATS transfer only or only some partial in ACATS transfer. So after you complete your full ACATS transfer, they will put your account on hold. Why? Because they will have to charge $100 fee for a partial or a full ACATS out of Robinhood, because that is it's like a transfer between two agreement parties that you want to move your assets out. That also includes crypto and such. So they will charge you $100 fee for that. So currently the fractional security shares with RHF and crypto held with RHC aren't transferable to other brokerages. So you can only transfer other types of stocks and bonds, I think, so maybe just stock, I think. So if you request a full ACAT as transfer, the RHF will sell any fractional security shares that you hold, basically. So I suggest you try to keep it to yourself and not actually transfer it out of Robinhood. But if it's crypto, I think it's way easier to transfer it out of Robinhood, because Robinhood crypto is going to be another topic. But basically, when transferring to Robinhood, first, you will have to go through the automated customer account transfer service, or otherwise known as the ACATS, which I have mentioned. And like I've said, you will have to be paying $100 fee, and you will have accounts with your 401 or 403b, and even cash checks from checking or savings account for your proofs and transactions. So typically the transfer of assets will take about 3 to 5 days. So all you have to do is search up your ACATS in Robinhood, and they will take care of it for you. And there you go. It's just that simple, basically, to transfer from Robinhood to Fidelity.